Today I will be showing you on how to download View PDF only on Google Drive. This PDF is the PDF that I want to share to my other Gmail account or Google Drive account. You just need to select any PDF you want to share with your other colleagues or friends, relatives, or even in work. You just want to click the share button, and then you will add who you want to share this file with. And also, if you do, there is a feature with this Google Drive that even the viewers and the commenter can download this. You just click this advanced settings here, upper right, and you just see this settings, and just click this. And um, if you check this or if you tick this button, um, if you set this person to be your viewer, they can edit or they can download the PDF that you shared. But if you untick this and you share this to to the person, I will show you what it would look like. And I will now share this. And now I'm shared, and I will go to my other account to open. As you can see, there is no download button. This is the view only, and it says here that viewers cannot download because I just unticked that settings or advanced settings on my main account where I shared this file. So uh, there's no way you can download this or whatsoever. So you just need to have this on your desktop. It's a Chrome extension. It is named as Document Preview Exporter for Google Drive. As you see, you can find this on the Chrome web store and just search for this name, Document Preview Exporter for Google Drive, and you just add it on your extension. I just added mine and it is here. So after you add this to your web or to your Google Chrome, you will go to the file that has been shared to you, and it has an only um, view only share settings, and then you can download this by clicking this extension, and then uh, rename what you want to name your file, and then just click the PDF file, and then it will go to your downloads, and you can now open this, and that's it. It's been downloaded on your computer or on your desktop. And also, there's another option here that you can download it again even if it's not on a Google Drive. So I guess that's it. That's how you download Be Only on Google Drive.